Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I unveil the 5 superpowers of garlic that boost your health. 1. Immune system booster. Garlic enhances white blood cell production, strengthening your immune system. 2. Cardiovascular health. Lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, garlic supports a healthy heart. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic's allicin fights inflammation, aiding conditions like arthritis, asthma. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Packed with antioxidants, garlic combats cell-damaging free radicals. Garlic truly deserves the title of a superfood. It provides your body with an extra defense against oxidative stress, keeping you healthier and more youthful. 5. Natural antibacterial and antiviral agent. Garlic's antimicrobial prowess helps fend off infections and viruses. So, making garlic a fantastic addition to your daily routine, especially during cold and flu seasons. Embrace the superfood garlic for a healthier, stronger you. Remember to consult professionals for medical advice. Subscribe my channel Fitness Drills 20 for more informative videos.